Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods to install more than one WhatsApp application on your Redmi 12R. So, in the first method, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this quick way we have a two WhatsApp application from the official source. But if you need more than one, more than two WhatsApp application, go to the search bar like before and look for the any dual space app. I'm always using the two accounts, so we can launch it now. If you're launching this app for the first time, you have to add the permissions to the files if necessary. And we have to wait a second to close the ad. Now click on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp app on this device. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.